Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and I'm not here to convince you to use conditioner on your locks. We all have our own preferences and I respect your preferences. Do what you want along your hair journey, you know? So I do have a video saying why I do personally recommend that people with locks, especially color treated locks or brittle locks, why you should use conditioner. Check that video out if you feel inclined to do so. If not, if you don't want to use conditioner, at least do this. By the way, let's just be impeccable with our word. Conditioner, the definition of conditioner is something that conditions, specifically a preparation used to improve the condition of hair. So conditioner is not inherently going to cause product buildup. It depends on the conditioner that you use. You can use rose water and that can be considered conditioner, which is why I refer to the rose water moisturizer as a leave-in conditioner. It's improving the condition of your locks, yes, and you leave it in. You're not going to rinse it out afterwards. At least use some type of leave-in conditioner in your hair, and what that will do is to help your hair retain moisture longer. A lot of the times you are spraying your hair with water every single day. The reason why you're doing that is because your hair is not retaining water. You really shouldn't have to spray your hair every single day with water for your hair to feel hydrated. You shouldn't have to. And if that's what you like to do, that's fine. Do what you like, okay? I do want to remind you all, there's not a lot of hard rules when it comes to lock maintenance. The only hard rules that I have is to wash your hair. Wash it. Hygiene. Wash it. Wash it, okay? Other than that, like, you really can do what you want on your own lock journey. Your lock journey is your lock journey. It's your hair journey. It's your life journey. It's your spiritual journey. It's your self-love journey. So what sets leave-in conditioner apart from just water, misting your hair with water, is that the ingredients in the leave-in conditioner help you retain moisture longer in your hair. That will help your hair not feel so brittle. That'll help your hair retain length. It'll help your hair look healthy and shiny. Well, shiny hair isn't for everyone, but we all do want healthy hair. Sometimes use actual conditioner on my hair, like a milky conditioner, and I'll wash it out and I'll mist my hair with this afterwards. Or sometimes I'll skip the conditioner completely and use this. So you can use it as an alternative, as I'm suggesting in this video, or you can use it complementary. That's up to you. Of course, you don't have to use my leave-in conditioner, but I do recommend that you invest in a leave-in conditioner. As usual, you can get the rose water moisturizer along with the whole Love, Light, and Locs line at KeishaCharmaine.com. Shop now. I have the links down below. And if you are interested in creating your own hair product line and you want your brand to exceed 6 figures, just like my brand, Love, Light, and Locs does, definitely check out my program down below. We have an early bird special for those of you who get seats in the month of January. Thank you so much for watching. Love, Light, and Locs.